Could you envision a world where a simple scratch could lead to an agonizing and unavoidable demise for any human being? We are currently investigating the medical revolution, which occupies the 60th position within the comprehensive World Top 100 event series. This monumental transformation in scientific understanding reshaped the biological destiny of our entire species across every continent on this planet. Before we explore the intricate laboratory breakthroughs, we must recognize the immense weight of this period in sustaining billions of lives. Our journey will traverse through centuries of intellectual struggle, examining the empirical evidence and statistical data that support this unprecedented cognitive advancement. We shall observe the vivid realities of the past as if we were physically present during these pivotal discoveries. Prepare yourselves for a meticulous examination of the geographical regions, cultural characteristics, and social contexts that birthed modern therapeutic practices. Let the profound historical investigation commence with the foundational evidence of our shared physiological triumph. During the 17th century, European medical understanding was fundamentally shackled by the ancient and speculative doctrines of the Greek physician Galen. Common treatments involved the dangerous practice of bloodletting, based on the unverified theory of maintaining four primary bodily humors. In 1628, William Harvey published his revolutionary work proving that the heart functions as a mechanical pump for blood circulation. This discovery dismantled centuries of physiological myths and established the prerequisite for modern cardiology and surgical precision across the globe. By the late 18th century, the devastating threat of smallpox, which claimed millions of lives annually, was finally challenged by Edward Jenner. His observation of cowpox immunity in milkmaids led to the creation of the first successful vaccination protocol in human history. The 19th century witnessed the most accelerated expansion of medical knowledge, beginning with the implementation of reliable anesthesia in surgical theaters. Joseph Lister introduced carbolic acid as an antiseptic, which drastically reduced postoperative mortality rates in clinical settings. Louis Pasteur later provided the definitive evidence required to prove that microorganisms are the primary agents of infectious diseases. This fundamental shift in understanding biological pathogens paved the way for modern bacteriology and the eventual eradication of numerous global plagues. The 20th century introduced the miracle of antibiotics, starting with Alexander Fleming discovering the bacterial inhibition properties of penicillin mold. This era of pharmaceutical intervention turned once lethal infections into curable conditions, extending global life expectancy significantly. This era also decoded the blueprint of life when Watson and Crick identified the double helix structure of the DNA molecule. This monumental discovery shifted the focus of medicine from treating general symptoms to understanding the specific genetic code of every human being. We have successfully concluded our comprehensive analysis of the medical revolution, an event that remains the 60th most influential occurrence in the history of humanity. The legacy of these visionary pioneers continues to preserve the health of every individual participating in modern society. As we reflect on the staggering progress achieved, let us remain appreciative of the scientific rigor and bravery that liberated our species from the darkness of ignorance. This narrative of intellectual resilience remains one of the greatest collaborative victories ever recorded in human archives. It has been an absolute privilege to guide you through this monumental chapter of our collective past with such depth and precision. I sincerely hope this detailed investigation has provided you with a profound appreciation for the scientific foundations of your current existence. 구독과 좋아요를 눌러주세요. 감사합니다.